By optimizing your portfolio right here, you can achieve the kind of financial growth we're seeing on screen. It's all about strategy. And hustle number 3 might surprise you. Welcome to Smart Money Lab. We're King, where we help you earn smarter, not harder. Let's get started. Farchord.
Businesses need social media content every day.
UPAC hop on a crawl.
But most don't know how to create it.
Using AI tools like Canva, you can create content easily and get paid $100 to $500 per client.
You can sell t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs online
without holding any inventory.
This is called print on demand.
Many beginners make $500 to $1,000 per month. Create simple digital products like planners or templates.
Then sell them again and again.
No shipping. No inventory. Just passive income. You promote products online and earn commission. You don't need your own product. Earn money while you sleep. Create faceless YouTube shorts using AI. No camera. No experience needed. Earn from views, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Subscribe to Smart Money Lab for more money-making ideas.